Basic Estimation Technique. Part 1. Answer number 1 of technical problems on page 150 of the textbook. Part 2. Determine the degree of relationship between mathematical abilities of 8 college students as reflected in their entrance examinations and their corresponding grades in statistics. To compute the R equals to summation of xy minus n times x times y divided by square root of summation of x squared minus n times x squared times summation of y squared minus n times y squared. This is the formula to compute the t. T equals to r times square root of n minus 2 divided by 1 minus r squared. Conclusion. We conclude that there is no significant relationship between mathematical ability as reflected on entrance examination and grades in statistics of the 8 students. This is the evidenced by the low negative coefficient of correlation calculated. Number 2. The following data show the amount of rainfall in a given region and the corresponding sacks of rice harvested. Determine the least squares regression equation. For the b equals n summation of xy minus summation of x times summation of y divided by n summation of x squared minus summation of x squared. For the a equals summation of y minus b times summation of x divided by n. Letter A. Estimate the rice yield if the amount of rainfall is 3.5 inches. To compute it, this is the formula. Y equals a plus bx. Y equals 10.65 plus 5.67x equals 10.65 plus 5.67 times 3.5. Y equals 30.495 or 39.50. A 3.5 inches rainfall would yield approximately 39.50 sacks of rice. Number 3. The following data show the performance of some employees and their respective number of years with the company. Letter A. Determine the degree of relationship between the performance of the employees and their respective number of years with the company. To compute for the R equals summation of xy minus n multiplied to x multiplied to y divided by square root of summation of x squared minus n times x squared times summation of y squared minus n times y squared. For the t equals to r square root of n minus 2 divided by 1 minus r squared. B. Determine the simple linear regression equation. To compute the b equals to n summation of xy minus summation of x multiplied to summation of y divided by n summation of x squared minus summation of x squared equals 10 times 4150.2 minus 50.1 times 831 divided by 10 times 349.07 minus 50.1 squared is equal to negative 0.13. For the a equals to summation of y minus b times summation of x divided by n. 831 minus negative 0.13 times 50.01 divided by 10 is equal to 83.75. Letter C. Draw the linear trend. Letter D. Project the employee's productivity if he has been working with the company for the last 21.7 years. Is this projection accurate? Explain your answer.